welcome to another video. Facebook Marketplace. So have you ever heard about the Facebook Marketplace? So are you using Facebook? Everyone is using Facebook, but nobody is utilizing Facebook Marketplace. Do you know what is the impact and what is the power of Facebook Marketplace? So everybody has the access to a Facebook Marketplace nowadays. You guys already using Facebook, but you are not utilizing Facebook Marketplace. What is the actual power of Facebook Marketplace? So let me show you what is the power of Facebook Marketplace. Show you guys. So Facebook. So you just need to log in your Facebook, whether it is your mobile phone or in your web browser. So you just need to check your Facebook Marketplace tab. So just go with your just click the Facebook Marketplace. So Facebook Marketplace is a place that you can sell and buy anything from the world. You can sell and purchase anything nearby. By your location, you can search anything by your location, specific country, specific location. Facebook Marketplace is a great place to start your own business. So if you want to sell anything around the world or in your city or another city, you should start Facebook Marketplace. So you can see, let me show you some examples here. So you can see these are the people. For example, if you want to buy used iPhone, so you can search iPhone. So if you want to buy used clothing, so you can search clothing. So everything is available on Facebook Marketplace. Facebook Marketplace is like a OLX or classified. You can put your ads on Facebook Marketplace and people can contact you via your mobile number. So that's how you can start selling or purchasing anything online. If you like this video, so please give the thumbs up and do share it.